Hello viewers, on this video I will share with you Google two-step verification, recovery phone number and email address, remove unwanted sign-in apps in Google account, create contact list in Gmail account, and answer to the question with Google Help Support Center. Now I open the Google account. Press on the security. Now I will show how to on Google two-step verification option. Open the two-step verification option and press on the Get Started. Enter your current password and press on the Next. Google will be sent a verification code on your phone number. Enter the verification code, press on the Next. Now press on the Turn On. The two-step verification option has been started. So I sign out my Google account and sign in again. Enter my password. Press on the Next. The account will be not opened without verification code. If someone or hacker want to try to open my Google account, then they will not be able to open the Google account without verification code. So, two-step verification option is most important for every Google account for security. Now I will show how to off Google two-step verification settings. Open the Google account and open the two-step security option. Enter your current password. Press on the Next. Press on the Turn Off. Now the two-step verification option is off. Now I will show how to add and remove recovery phone number. Open the recovery phone number. Enter your current password and press on the Next. To edit the phone number, press the edit icon. Select your country and enter your phone number. Press on the Next. For deleting your number, press on the delete icon. Press on the remove number. This phone number has been deleted. Now I will show how to add or remove your recovery email address. Open the recovery email. Enter your current password. Press on the next. To edit the email address, press on the edit icon. Edit here your email address or remove your address. Then press on the done. The recovery email address has been done. Now I will show how to remove unwanted apps from your Google account. Open the sign in the Google, then open the unwanted apps. To remove the apps, press on the remove access. Now I will show how to create or delete your Gmail contact list. Open the contact list. Press on the create contact. I write here a mail address, then press on the save. The contact mail has been saved. To delete the contact mail, press on the delete. Now I will show how to get question answer from Google Support Center. Here are some answers of the question common issue. Write here more question and get more update solution. Choose your perfect answer and get the perfect solution. Thank you for watching this video. If this video will be help you, please subscribe to my channel for more updates.